Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a narrow niche where your voice can stand out. This matters because relevance increases conversion rates. Next, apply to 2 or 3 affiliate programs that match your niche and offer solid commissions, then gather tracking links. Once done, set up a TikTok Pro account, craft a short bio that points to your landing page, and install UTM parameters. Make sure to prepare 3 content hooks so you can start posting immediately and measure which link performs best. Now focus on content that converts: demo videos, short reviews, and storytelling hooks that build trust. Use TikTok native features, captions, pinned comments, and live shopping or link stickers where allowed to keep links discoverable. That increases click-through. Once you have videos, /B test CTAs, thumbnails, and posting times, and compare 15-second versus 60-second formats to learn viewer retention. Make sure to track each variation with distinct UTM tags so you can attribute sales and scale the best-performing creative. Finally, scale what works. Reinvest a portion of profits into TikTok ads and duplicate your top organic creatives with small variations. Analyze performance weekly, conversion rate, average order value, and refund rates to spot issues early. Once scaled, automate link management and build an email list from landing page visitors to increase lifetime value. If results fall off, first verify tracking integrity and affiliate account status. Next, rotate creatives to fix fatigue and confirm the offer terms haven't changed, which often breaks payouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.